Today we will discuss on how to draw the center line drawing for line out of a residential building. Okay, presently in last video, okay, we have discussed how to fix the column locations. Okay, so this will be the next part of that video. So we'll be discussing how to draw the center line. Okay, if you are not uh, gone through the last video, I'll be sharing a link in this description box of this video. You just go through that and just check it out, and you'll come to know how to fix the column locations, as well as where exactly the column to be taken. Suppose if the plan of ground and first floor and some other floors are different, in that case where to provide the columns. Okay, so all these things are discussed in the previous video. Just go through that, and next you can watch this video. Okay, I'll be sharing it in description box. Before that, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. It is a purely civil engineering technical channel. Okay, thank you. Okay, next today in this session, okay, we will be discussing on how to draw center line of, okay, how to draw the center line drawing in a building. Okay, before that, again this is a different plan as compared to the previous video. I'll be discussing little bit about the plan. Okay, the site is of size 33 feet by 49 feet. Okay, so horizontally, okay, the width is 49 feet and length is 33 feet is there. Okay, in that we have provided parking, okay, which is around more than 15 feet. Okay, a sit out is there, and next a living room, kitchen, a dining, one bedroom, and another one is, this is master bedroom. Okay, this is master bedroom. Okay, and next one WC, bath and WC. Okay, so these arrangements we have done. Okay, apart from that, we have provided staircase also. Okay, so these are all the arrangements, or we call it as a plan of a residential building. Okay, generally it is a ground floor building only. So before that, when the plan is satisfied by the client, okay, we must go for the line out, or we call it as layout. Okay, layout of, or fixing the, or we call it as fixing of column locations. Okay, so already we have as I said, we have discussed how to fix the column locations. These should be either at the junctions, okay, or those these columns should be hidden in a wall. Okay, so everything will be there. Okay, so here we have provided the columns. Okay, here you can see the column locations. Okay, next will be, okay, we'll discuss one by one. Okay, before that, we people have provided column locations based on the discussion held in last session. Okay, so here we have provided the column locations. Now I must know, okay, I must fix the line, or I must draw or locate these columns at the site. Okay, only in drawing in this one AutoCAD is not sufficient. We should project the columns. Okay, here I forgot to provide another column here, so I will be providing now itself for sit out. Okay, now here we have discussed as we have discussed the on that basis the columns are located. Now we will be drawing the center line. Okay, for example, if, okay, either you may go for center of the column, or you may go for center of the wall also. Okay, because one difficulty will be finding here. Okay, that is, center of the column may not match in one line. Okay, in that case what I will do, I will draw the center line of a wall. I will draw center lines of a wall. Okay, so even though if the orientation is different, column orientation is different, in that case also the centers will not match. Okay, but here when we take these columns, okay, so when we take these columns, Okay, the width of these columns we have taken around 9 inch. 9 inch means this is the thickness of wall itself. Okay, thickness of wall. Okay, here just I'll project. Okay, here one can see the thickness of wall. Okay, this is of 9 inch thickness. Okay, even though the column size is also 9 inch, so half of or width of the wall is coinciding with the width of the column. Okay, so I'll be drawing here, whereas here if the length of the column is around 15 inch, okay, so 9 inch, half of the 9 inch is how much? This is 4.5 inch. 4.5 inch, whereas the length of the column is 15 inch. Okay, so okay, this portion when this line goes or okay, which projects or which is drawn on the center of the column, and some because of orientation, okay, it may not split the column into exact two parts. Okay, in this case it is 4.5 inch, so from center to the one end of the column it is 4.5 inch, remaining is 10.5 inch. Okay, okay, excluding, okay, this includes the, okay, the 15 inches includes the cover to the reinforcement. So here size of the column is how much? Size of this column is how much? It is 9 inch by, the size is 15 inch. 9 inch by 15 inch. Okay, whereas here, okay, in this way we'll be drawing or we will be drawing the center line of the column. Okay, next in a next slide, okay, already we have drawn this one, that is center line already have done. Okay, so here you can see, okay, here you can see because of the image quality, okay, it may look blur. Okay, so here it is, the column size is 15 inch and its width is 9 inch. Okay, so but the center line is crossing, center line we have drawn exactly at the center of the wall. So this is 4.5 inch and this is 10.5 inch. So like that we'll be dividing the center line, whereas here it is in this direction it is 4.5 inch and this also 4.5 inch. Okay, so in this way we will be drawing. Okay, once all the column locations are completed, okay, so I will be drawing the center line. Okay, so here we have drawn center line, okay, horizontally as well as vertically. Okay, no such column should not skip. Okay, no column should be skipped. Every column should have the center line drawn. Okay, so then only you can project these drawings at the side. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, here this is the center line, okay, which already drawn. Okay, this is the drawn one. So the same plan whatever we have discussed here, okay, this is the center line of that plan. Okay, here also, here you can see the center line, this one. Okay, if possible I'll name these things. Okay, so this is, I'll take it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay, and H. Okay, like that we have divided. Okay, so first column, this is the column number 1. Okay, so it is in a line of A1, this is in line of B1. Okay, next C, this is D1, this is G1. Okay, sorry, G1, and this is H1, like that. Okay, or you may have a different numbering also, it is left to you. Okay, you may have different numberings, like this is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, 11, 12, 13, 14, C14, like that we can number accordingly. Okay, that is from left horizontal to right horizontal, from top to bottom. Okay, easily we can name it, or we can move to the. Once it is completed, I will be drawing these lines. Okay, this center line. Once these center lines are completed, easily we can find out its spacing. Okay, so when you draw these drawings in AutoCAD, you will be getting the direct spacing of using the command linear dimensions. Okay. Linear dimension command, easily you can find out distance of center line in vertical and horizontal one distance. Okay, when you draw this one, okay, you can check, you can cross check whether it is completed or not. Okay, easily you can find out the rotation column. Okay, or when once if it is completed, what I will do, so once if the center line drawing is completed, okay, once if this drawing is completed, what I will do, I will go for the line out or layout at the side. Okay, here what happens, so one thing you should keep it in mind, that when you do the center line, okay, whether the center line is crossing the wall or crossing the center of the column, you must keep it in mind. Okay, suppose if it is, I said if it is 15 inch, okay, so this is 4.5 inch and this is 10.5 inch, like that we have divided. Okay, so when you mark at the side, you must have these dimensions also, you must have these dimensions to draw or to project these columns at the side. Okay, I think this will be quite a useful session. I thought if you have any suggestions, please write it in comment box. If you really understood, please like and share this video. Okay, if you are not subscribed my channel, okay, just go and subscribe my channel, and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. Okay, so the next session will be, okay, this will be the session on how to draw the center line. Okay, next session will be on line out. I could have taken the next session on line out. Already I have shared a video on line out itself, how to draw or how to make a line out at site. Okay, just go through that. I'll share a link of that video also in the description box. Okay, and once again, thank you.